Welcome back. Well, this weekend kicks off the annual Central Ohio Home and Garden Show. And this morning we have Diana Garber joining us with a unique take on how to remake your home and your life that could bring you a little bit of luck as well. So this morning we're talking about the ancient Chinese art of feng shui. And Diana, many people don't really understand what feng shui really is.
My definition is, does your environment make you feel safe and secure? And if it does, you're doing good feng shui.
And a lot of people think feng shui also means bringing good luck, good wealth, good fortune. But something interesting that you were just telling me is that 2009 is a fire year. What does that mean?
Energy goes in cycles, and so this is a fire year. And in a fire year, we will see more fires, as evidenced by what's going on in Australia right now. Plus, you have covered a lot of fires in Columbus so far.
Sure.
So I recommend that people take a look at their homes and their offices, and for any outlets that are overtaxed, spread the load, so to speak. But because dryers are one of the #1 causes of fires.
Because of the lint situation?
Exactly. I really encourage people to clean out the lint traps and even the hoses going outside.
So when we say it's a fire year, that's actually a very bad thing. I mean, when we're talking about economy, things like that, I mean, it's just everything's being kind of burnt up.
It is.
Yeah.
Because fire burns paper, and our economy is paper-based, so this is going to be a tough year on the economy.
What about a drought? Something interesting, and I almost like to think that feng shui masters can look into the future. Because it's a fire year, are we saying it's going to be a drier year, more drought, danger for our farmers here in Ohio?
That's exactly what we're saying. So with the drought conditions, we will be seeing a lot more grass fires, and the farmers can take proactive measures in what they use as far as fertilizers, so it doesn't end up in the water tables.
And we're looking at people watering the lawn, so people maybe need to conserve water. What other ways that we need to do to be more conservative when it comes to feng shuiing our life?
Well, on the green channels, they talk a lot about roofs that are done in green that attract the water and retain it. But what a lot of people can do is when it rains, collect the water, put it in rain barrels, and use that and even your dishwashing water, bathtub water, to take care of gardens and such.
That's a good idea. I have to tell you, talking about feng shui, a lot of people think it has to do with decorating, which is a big part of feng shui. Things like don't put your knives on your kitchen counters. Why?
Yes. Because they're dangerous.
Well, besides that, it's bad luck, right?
It cuts away at the energy, so it should be put away.
What about placement of things like mirrors in your home? A lot of people put mirrors because they think it'll make the house look bigger, but where you put it could actually detract from your home, right?
So as an example, if you put a mirror in front of a bed, mirror expands light, and the bedroom is supposed to be dark so that you can rest. And so the mirror, especially across from the bed, you can wake up in the middle of the night and be startled. So that's one of the reasons not to have a mirror reflect your bed.
In the bedroom. And finally, any feng shui to help people make more money this year?
Oh, keep a good attitude. You know, with job loss and such, you know, people could get depressed. But the thing is, the mind is also an environment, so stay positive.
Sounds good. Where can we find you today at the Home and Garden Show?
I'll be speaking at noon at the garden stage, and I'm talking about construction and landscaping.
Fabulous. And here are some other things that you'll find at the Home and Garden Show today, all taking place at the Expo Center. You can meet Diana along with a lot of other people. Some great ideas on just how to simply make your home, garden, and your life a little better. Thank you, Diana, for coming in. Hopefully we can make the weather a little bit better.